In this tutorial, we want to learn how to find the domain and the range of a tangent function. The basic tangent function is y equal to tan x, and tan x is equal to sine x over cos x. So this function will be undefined if cos x is 0, because sine x divided by 0 will be undefined. Domain. Tangent is undefined where cosine is 0, which occurs at x equal to pi over 2 plus n pi. So domain is x is a member of real numbers, comma, x is not equal to pi over 2 plus n pi. Our n is a member of integers. Our domain exclude x equal to pi over 2 plus n pi, where n is a member of integers, because at those points the function tan x is undefined, because cos x will be 0 and sine x over 0 will be undefined. Range. Tangent can take all real values, so our range of tangent is negative infinity, comma, infinity. Transform tangent function. Y equal to a tan bx plus c plus d, and the domain of our transform tangent function is x is a member of real numbers, comma, and bx plus c is not equal to pi over 2 plus n pi, where n is a member of integer. Let us solve for x, and let us first subtract c from both sides. Bx is not equal to pi over 2 plus n pi minus c. To get x, let us divide both sides by b. X is not equal to pi over 2 plus n pi minus c all over b. So our domain is x is a member of real numbers, comma, and x is not equal to pi over 2 plus n pi minus c over b, and n is a member of integers. The range of the transform tangent function still always real numbers. So the range is negative infinity, infinity. Let us consider this example. Y equal to 3 tan bracket 2x minus pi over 3 plus 4. Our transform tangent function is y equal to a tan bx plus c plus d. If we compare these two functions, our a is 3, our b is 2, our c is minus pi over 3, and our d is 4. A equal to 3, b equal to 2, c equal to minus pi over 3, d equal to 4. Domain. Our domain is x is a member of real numbers and x is not equal to pi over 2 plus n pi minus c all over b, and n is a member of integers. X is not equal to pi all over 2 plus n pi, you can say all over 1, minus our c is minus pi over 3 minus pi all over 3 all over our b is 2. Let us first simplify the numerator. Pi all over 2 plus n pi over 1 minus, multiply by minus, we are going to have positive, plus pi all over 3, and the LCM will be 6 over 6. 2 goes in 6 3 times. 3 multiplied by pi, we have 3 pi. 1 goes in 6 6 times. 6 multiplied by n pi, we have 6 n pi. And 3 goes in 6 2 times. 2 multiplied by pi, we have plus 2 pi. And if we simplify it further, we have 3 pi plus 2 pi, we are going to have 5 pi. That means 5 pi plus 6 n pi. over 6. X is not equal to, let us replace this with this, 5 pi plus 6n pi all over 6 divided by 2. X is now equal to 5 pi plus 6n pi all over 6 multiplied by 1 all over 2. That means x is now equal to 5 pi plus 6n pi all over 6 multiplied by 2 will give us 12. So our domain is x is a member of real numbers, comma, and x is not equal to 5 pi plus 6n pi all over 12. Don't forget our n is a member of integers. Range of any tangent transformation is always negative infinity, comma, positive infinity.